Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. If you've ever found yourself lying awake at 2 a.m., just staring at the ceiling and stressing about the heavy responsibility sitting on your shoulders, well, you're definitely not alone. Hitting your 30s brings this huge shift. It's suddenly not just about scraping by anymore, right? It's about providing an incredible life for your spouse, planning out your kids' schooling, and building up this financial safety net so your family literally never has to hesitate over the little things. It's a lot of pressure. And honestly, that nightly worry is exactly why you need what we call a second salary. So today, we're going to break down 5 real, tested, and seriously high-demand methods to build that exact income stream for 2026.
Look, the anxiety around relying on just a single paycheck is super real. But here's the good news. The solution absolutely does not require you to go out and work another exhausting full-time job. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to look at concrete, modern strategies that take maybe just 1 or 2 hours out of your day. We're talking about leveraging the incredible tools we have today to basically build a fortress around your family's financial future.
All right, so here is our playbook for today. 1. The second salary need. 2. AI-powered text and socials. 3. High-demand video and design. 4. The evergreen Excel hustle. And 5. Your blueprint for success.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the second salary need, and why securing that future is so crucial.
So what exactly is a second salary? Listen, it is not about burning the candle at both ends until you completely collapse. No one wants that. Really, it's just a consistent secondary income stream taking up about 1 to 2 hours a your day, tops. By smartly and efficiently using modern high-demand skills, you generate a really solid financial buffer. It's all about working smarter, completely eliminating that financial hesitation, and honestly, just taking back control of your life.
Moving right along to Section 2, AI-powered text and socials. This is where we look at using AI to deliver immediate, measurable value.
The very first method we're looking at is AI-assisted product description writing. And the earning potential here? It's typically around 300 to 500 rupees for just a single product description. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a huge deal. Well, pretty much every business out there today is selling online, right? On Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho. But get this, a massive 90% of sellers completely ignore their product descriptions, and then they sit around wondering why they have 0 sales. Customers actually read those descriptions, and if they're weak or confusing, boom, the sale is lost. Let's move to and see how this builds into an actual working workflow. Step 1. You spot those weak products and shoot the brand a DM with a quick sample of your work. Step 2. Grab the product details from them. Step 3. This is where the magic happens. You use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity to generate a few drafts, cherry-pick the best parts, and combine them into something amazing. And Step 4. Deliver the final text and get paid super easily via UPI. You see, you aren't just typing up words, you are directly helping these sellers boost their sales. Do this just 2 or 3 times a day, and you've suddenly got a really solid monthly buffer.
Now, our second method under this whole AI umbrella is social media content creation, specifically for local businesses. For this, you can comfortably charge anywhere between 3,000 and 8,000 rupees per month per client. And think about it. Today, if a business isn't visible online, it's essentially failing. Local salons, cafes, the gym down the street, they desperately need a digital presence, but they usually have absolutely no idea how to maintain one.
The process for this is wonderfully straightforward. First up, you pitch to these local businesses via a quick DM or a WhatsApp message. Next, you let AI do the heavy lifting to write engaging captions and use Canva to create some stunning visuals. Then, you deliver a really structured weekly plan so your client knows exactly what to expect from you. Oh, and a crucial pro tip, always secure an advance payment before you start the work. Honestly, land just 2 or 3 of these clients and your second salary is completely set.
I really want you to absorb this mindset because it's a total game changer. You aren't just making posts, you are bringing in customers. That makes you highly valuable. When you manage a business's online presence, you are literally driving foot traffic and actual revenue into that cafe or that gym, so never underestimate the true business value of these new skills you're offering.
All right, jumping into Section 3, high-demand video and design, where we capitalize on short-form content.
Method number 3 is short-form video editing. The going rate for this ranges from 300 to 3,000 rupees per edit. I mean, everyone is making videos for Instagram and YouTube today, right? But definitely not everyone is getting views. And why is that? Because raw, unedited video is usually pretty boring. The editing is what dictates whether a viewer actually keeps watching or just scrolls right past.
And the best part is, as your editing gets cleaner and more engaging, your rate scales directly upward with your experience.
So here is your workflow for video. Reach out to creators with a slick, eye-catching sample edit. Get their raw footage, edit it down, throw in some dynamic captions and background music, then just deliver the file and collect your weekly pay. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that all of this heavy lifting, like editing with CapCut or InShot, can actually be done entirely straight from your smartphone while you're just chilling in your evening downtime.
Moving on, method number 4 pivots just slightly over to YouTube thumbnail design. Earning potential here, you're looking at between 100 and 1,000 rupees per thumbnail. We live in an era where the packaging is quite literally everything. A video could be an absolute cinematic masterpiece, but if the packaging, the thumbnail, isn't highly clickable, absolutely 0 people are going to click and watch it. The workflow here is incredibly simple. Find smaller YouTubers, analyze their current, maybe kind of weak thumbnails, and then send them a much better sample that you made using Canva or Photoshop. Give them a couple of options, deliver the final chosen image, and get paid per thumbnail. And this brilliantly illustrates our earlier point about value. You are not just slapping text onto a picture. By creating a highly attractive thumbnail, you are quite literally defining the success of that creator's entire channel.
Next up is Section 4, the evergreen Excel hustle, shifting gears to data stability. Now, while trend-based AI skills are fantastic and super lucrative right now, evergreen data skills offer this kind of unshakable stability. Think about it. Hundreds of software tools have come and gone over the last 13 years, but Excel? Excel is still standing strong. In fact, it's actually growing as more and more businesses adapt to data-driven decision-making.
Which brings us to our 5th method, Excel data entry and cleaning. This brings in around 500 to 5,000 rupees for small, manageable tasks. Every single day, businesses, both large and small, are generating massive amounts of data. But the reality, it's almost always incredibly messy, scattered everywhere, and entirely unusable in its raw form. They desperately need someone to come in and just organize it. Finding clients for this is surprisingly straightforward because the demand is both global and local. Sure, you have top global freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Pepper, but please, don't ignore your local market. Startups and established local businesses on sites like Suleka or JustDial are absolute prime hunting grounds. They all have messy data that they simply do not have the time or the technical expertise to clean up themselves.
Here is exactly how you execute this one. You receive the raw data. Maybe it's a messy PDF or a cluttered text file. You jump in and clean it up by removing duplicates and fixing errors, convert it into a beautiful, clean table report, and then collect your payment. So the crucial point is this: clean data drives correct business decisions. If their data is wrong, their business decisions are wrong. That simple fact makes this simple, evergreen process highly lucrative for you.
Finally, Section 5, your blueprint for success. It is time to talk about taking action right now. Before you do absolutely anything else today, I really want you to pause for a second and answer these 3 specific questions down in the comments below. Number 1, what is your current job? Number 2, how much daily time, like 1 hour, 2 hours, can you realistically commit to this? And number 3, what is your logical target figure for a second salary? Share those details below, and I will personally read through them and reply with customized, actionable advice to help kickstart your journey.
Now, because just understanding the process isn't really enough to get started, I am hosting a completely free, limited-seat online training session. We are going to go over live projects, how to communicate with clients, payment setups, and exactly how to get those glowing 5-star reviews. Plus, when you join through the link in the description or that pinned comment, you're going to receive a bonus best-selling ebook worth 1,500 rupees absolutely free just to help you land that crucial first client.
So there you have it. We've laid out your entire playbook, and the roadmap is crystal clear. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Will you take action today to actually secure your family's future for 2026? It is time to stop worrying about the finances at night, go claim your seat in the free session, and let's start building your second salary right now. I'll see you in the training.